you're a litigation lawyer, judges do not want you to know this, but they keep saying you withdraw, or we will dismiss, or we will pass order on merits, as if the judge passing order on merits in this specific situation is going to be far worse than you withdrawing. Because if you withdraw, you cannot file your appeal either before any of the appellate courts, be it the ADJ, ASJ, be it the High Court, be it the Supreme Court. So what exactly is the benefit of withdrawing? I would say out of every 100 cases where a judge says you withdraw or we dismiss on merits, 99% of the times you are not suffering any adverse effects which are greater than if you just withdrew the petition, the appeal, or whatever is there in front of the judge, and the judge says you withdraw. Why do judges say you withdraw? Judges say you withdraw so that their life is easier. They do not have to pass detailed orders on merits. This client recently said, I told my lawyer, and Mr. Lawyer also withdrew my quashing petition because the judge was saying, you withdraw or we will dismiss. So he said, great, we'll withdraw. But now because they withdrew, they cannot approach the Supreme Court against the High Court's order of dismissal if it would have been passed on merits. What's the benefit? Now, quashing petition kind of a case, even if the High Court would have given very, very grave observations about the facts and the circumstances, could that weigh at all directly or indirectly with the magistrate court or with the trial court when dealing with the issue of framing of charges? Not really, because the law is supposed to be very different. We've seen this happen on so many occasions. My quashing petition was dismissed. The judge and the trial court had no mention, no direct or indirect influence of that High Court judgment, no matter how strict or severe, on the trial court judge's discretion. And then the trial court does what it wants to as well. And a lot of times we've gotten a discharge after the High Court has dismissed on merits our quashing petitions. 99% of the times you will not suffer any repercussions. And it's better to ask the judge to pass orders on merits, even if they'll impose costs. It's okay, go for it, and you will see a lot of times miracles happen where the judge anyways, while going through the file, while deliberating on the issue, may just give you something in your favor. Or if they don't, fair enough. You've always got appellate court judges to revise this decision.